Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be teaching you step by step on how to order your GCMS notes for free from the Cbsa Ircc. Before I get into the video, I just want to quickly explain what GCMS notes is for and why you may need it. So this will help you to get more in-depth information about the status and progression of your application. You can request GCMS notes from the Ircc or the Cbsa, and GCMS notes they stand for Global Case Management System, and they are an electronic system used by the government of Canada to manage and process visa and immigration applications. The GCMS notes are an applicant's detailed immigration case file that includes correspondence to and from Ircc, documents received by the applicant, detailed notes from the officer reviewing the case, and other relevant information such as the officer's placeholder code. And the people that need this, there are three main categories I'll be talking about who would need GCMS notes. Number one, applicants who have been refused visa before, who have been refused visa before and they are resubmitting an application or exploring judicial review. Applicants whose applications have exceeded average processing times, you can order this just to know where at the point my application is at. Applicants looking to retrieve copies of documents submitted in previous applications to Canada immigrations, all these people can apply for the GCMS notes. Guys, stay tuned to the end of this video. I will be teaching you step by step on how to order this GCMS note for free. Let's go, get right in. Go on my browser and you will just type ATIP, just ATIP. You can go with any of these. Just put ATIP, and when it comes out you can go for this first one, the one that says access to information and privacy, ATIP, online request. Click on it. Let me get this off here. Click on it. When you're on this page, scroll down till and hit next. Hit next. So if you are doing it on your phone, is fine. If you're doing it here, is also okay. So you're meant to read all these, read it all, and then to say you have read, understood, and agree with the above privacy notice, and then go to continue. Now you will see this page. Even if you're doing it on your phone, trust me, it's the same. It's gonna be the same. So it will bring you here because we have all these tabs to work with. And then you scroll down, you will see, please select the department. Drop down and take Canada Border Services Agency, this one. A link will come here. So just click on it. It will come here. So when it brings you here, it will tell you, read all this, and just make your request. Click on make request. It will bring this privacy notice. Just read them. Please, you're expected to read all these and then click on continue. So it's telling you that we have 4 minutes average time to submit the request. So it's okay. You see, this one, it's for general record. If you're requesting for general records, or you want to request for personal information, but this one you will pay for it. But I'm giving you the one you have to do for free. It's totally free. You don't have to pay for it, please. So we go for this one. We click on it. Then subject of personal information request. Scroll down. You say for yourself, because I will be doing it for myself, right? So I'm doing it for myself. So once you hit that one, if you're actually doing it for someone else, you can hit this one. If you're someone else who is living and you have their consent, like someone wants you to help them, you can take this one. If it's someone that is diseased, just take whatever that is applicable to you. So select an institution. I won't advise you to keep scrolling and scrolling. Just type Cbsa and it's gonna come out. So click on this one, not on view, choose it just to make it faster, right? So you will come on this page. You will see when you come here, it will tell you sign in options to continue with this request. Okay, if you want to use sign in, or you use this one. For me, if you take this one, the sign in option, it's going to take a long time. So let's boycott it by using the email validation page. Okay, then it will ask you to put your email. So I'm going to go with my email, skybroadtravels@gmail.com. Don't send me an email, please. Don't send me an email. Okay, verify. We have sent an email to you, blah blah blah. You're gonna go to that email. When you get it, so it's gonna take like few minutes and the email will come. So I'm waiting for the email to come into my email box. It takes about few minutes. If you don't get it, for like, if maybe say after 1 hour or two, you can just say resend, but it will come. Usually it comes. Okay, so you're expected to click on the link that says verify email. So you continue the request. If you're using your phone, it might ask you if you're using a Chrome or you're using an Internet Explorer or whatever, but I'm using my laptop for this for these steps. So I've just clicked on continue request. Give it some time. It's supposed to bring it here. Okay, so it will bring you to this page after you hit on the verified link. It's gonna bring you here. Once you're here, scroll down. So scroll down, you can choose this. Most of my people might be outside Canada. Choose this one. For this demonstration, I'll be using the foreign national outside of Canada. If you're in Nigeria, if you're in Ghana, but if you're a permanent resident here and you want to get it for something, you can use that one. But for this demonstration, for these steps, I'm going to be using a foreign national outside of Canada. So the request label is GCMS case file and document. That's what I will be using. And you say, are you acting as a representative for someone else for personal records? If you are, you can say yes. If you're doing it for someone. But for this demonstration, I'm going to be saying no, because it's assumed that I'm doing it by myself, which I want to show you how to do it for yourself. So choose yes if you're doing it for someone, or if you're a parent, or if you're a representative, you're doing it for another person. But in this case, I want you to do it for yourself, because that is what I'm doing for. So for this one, we're going to be choosing case file. Remember, that's what we're looking for. Types of personal corporate records. We're not going to do anything there. This one, we're not going to do anything there. So now in this one, let's go with immigration file. this one. If you want to get your travel history, maybe you're in here, you can go for this one. I'm gonna do that one next time. But for this demonstration, we're going with immigration file GCMS records. That's all that I want in this case. So you can file GCMS record. You don't need to do travel documents and all that. So your name, let's say your name is my name. So I'll put my name here. This is my name. And I'm gonna add that here. So your UCI number, if you know it, you put it there. Then the alias is the, I'm just gonna use a random number here. This UCI number, the client ID number, this is UCI number. It can be found in the documents that they refused you, whatever visa, be it study visa or visitor visa, you will find it there. And you will also find the alias there, which is your application number. If you're applying for studies, it will start with S. If you applied for a visitor visa and it was refused, it's gonna start with V. Just like that. You just go with that. So date of birth, you can put anything, and you start from the year 1983, whatever, put it there. So we scroll down. You can skip this. If you're requesting for your stamps in and out, you can put the date you want, maybe say from 20 whatever, like start from the year, maybe 2018, January 01 to 2024, today March, it says 7. You don't have to, but if you're doing this thing you're doing for travel, like you want to get your stamp in and out, I strongly believe you have to. I advise you put this. You have to take that. So the next one will be type. So go down. If you want French, you can take French. If you're from French speaking country, if you understand French, put it there. But for this purpose, I'm going for English, which is like general. So for the request format, I will go with electronic. Go with whatever you want, but I will go with electronic. This is what I advise. Next, so this part is optional, right? As you can see, it's optional, but you can also choose to attach a document, which I strongly advise you do. You don't have to, but you can. Okay, so here you're gonna select you can attach up to 5 documents. You can, but I strongly advise that you add your passport data page and your refusal letter, or you can put either of those. Okay, you can browse here, when you browse here, you go to the document where you saved it and add it there. So I don't want to put anything here because I'm just demonstrating this to you. I'm not ordering it for real. So I'm just teaching you how you can do this for free for yourself. You don't have to pay for it. You don't have to pay anybody. So here I'm still gonna go with my name. I'll just go with Hezekiah. go with my name, Esther. So you put your name, you don't need this one. Address, you can just put your residential address, you know, put your apartment number, put whatever. Then your country of residence, let's assume you are in my country, Nigeria. I'm a proud Nigerian, duh. So I mean, you don't need province, but if you want, you can put FCT. Where is our FCT? Don't say FCT. I mean, take your state, put your address. It's not really. City is Abuja. Postal code, let's say 1009, whatever. Email address is grayed out. I take English because you know we started with English. I choose email because I mean I want email, but if you want telephone, you want letter, you want whatever, if you have an ATIP online account, go with it. Once you've done that one, go next. Once you have the information, everything, just go through it and make sure you have everything entered correctly before, you know, finalizing. Just go through them. You know, this is, I'm just showing you guys, you know, I'm not gonna go through it, and that's it. Once you hit finish, it's done. So voila, that's it, guys. That's it. You don't have to pay for it. It's free of charge, and that's how you order for your GCMS notes. Because a lot of people come to me, they send me messages like, oh, what is GCMS notes and stuff like that. And guys, here you have it. This is step by step on how you can order your GCMS notes, and it's free of charge. You don't need me, you don't need an agent, you don't need anybody to do it for you. Just follow this step by step, put in your informations correctly, put your details correctly, and voila, you will have it in your email within 30 days thereabout. Yeah, thank you. If you find my video helpful, like, share, subscribe, and yeah, send it to somebody that needs it. Send it to your group, send it to your the groups, WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups, people that need it. You know, help someone. Just the way it's I'm trying to help them. You too, send it to people and help them. Okay, thank you.